നമസ്കാരം. കേരള PSC സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിൻ്റെ ഇൻഫർമേറ്റീവായ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഓവർസിയർ ഗ്രേഡ് 3 ഇറിഗേഷൻ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിൽ നിന്നാണ് വേക്കൻസി റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്. കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 204/2015 23/3/2017 ഈ എക്സാം നടന്നത്. ആൽഫ കോഡ് A ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നേരെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലേക്ക് പോവാം. Question 21. The stair which is provided to turn through 180 degree is dash. Correct answer option C, half turn stair. Question 22. For site exploration probing method is used up to a maximum depth of. Correct answer option A, 3 meter. Question 23. The cropping provided at the foot of the gable wall is known as a. Correct answer option B, springer. Question 24. Which of the following saw is used for cutting the wood along the grains? Correct answer option A, ripsaw. Question 25. In which of the following directions the strength of timber is maximum? Correct answer option A, parallel to grains. Question 26. Glazed tiles are fixed with dash on the bathroom wall. Correct answer option A, cement paste. Question 27. The maximum safe bearing capacity of compacted gravel and muram is dash kilonewton per meter square. Correct answer option D, 450. Question 28. The DPC treatment provided to foundation against gravitational water is. Correct answer option C, air drain. Question 29. Which of the following is not considered as a rusticated joint in stone masonry? Correct answer option A, cramped joint. Question 30. What is the name of the molded wooden strip fixed round a door frame to improve the appearance? Correct answer option C, architrave. Question 31. Which of the following is a four-centered arch? Correct answer option D, Venetian arch. Question 32. The semicircular projection which is formed on the edges or surfaces of wood is called. Correct answer option C, bead. Question 33. What is the name of the movable barrier secured in an opening? Correct answer option B, doors. Question 34. Best type of pile for soft soil having little resistance to the flow of concrete is. Correct answer option B, Vibro pile. Question 35. The porosity of a good building stone should not be greater than. Correct answer option B, 5%. Question 36. For determining the initial setting time by wicket apparatus, the weight of cement to be taken is. Correct answer option C, 300 gram. Question 37. Ordinary Portland cement is available in dash distinct grades. Correct answer option B, 3. Question 38. Potash lead glass is also known as. Correct answer option A, flint glass. Question 39. What is the maximum percentage of water absorbed by a second class brick when soaked in water about 24 hours? Correct answer option D, 22. Question 40. Wire cut bricks are made in. Correct answer option A, plastic clay machine. Question 41. 1 cent equal to dash square feet. Correct answer option D, 335.70 square feet. Question 42. What is the reason of the timber defect named blue stain? Correct answer option B, fungi. Question 43. Height of a slum cone is. Correct answer option A, 30 cm. Question 44. In type B, the height of a capital letter is 4 mm. What is the dimension in mm for spacing between characters? Correct answer option D, 0.8 mm. Question 45. Type B lines represents dash lines. Correct answer option B, continuous thin. Question 46. The T-square with the working edge length of 1000 plus or minus 10 mm is designated as. Correct answer option C, T1. Question 47. What is the length to width ratio of the A2 drawing paper? Correct answer option D, square root of 2 is to 1. Question 48. Scales having the Question 48. Scales having the same RF but graduated to read different units are known as. Correct answer option C, comparative. Question 49. Both external and internal details are shown in one view is. Correct answer option D, half section. Question 50. In cabinet oblique projection, the angle between the plane of projection and the line of projection is. Correct answer option C, 63 degree 26 minute. Question 51. Isometric view will be dash percentage larger than the isometric projection. Correct answer option A, 122.5. Question 52. A solid having 12 equal and regular pentagon is called. Correct answer option C, dodecahedron. Question 53. A straight line having 2 cm length is placed parallel to VP and is inclined at 45 degree to HP. The length of elevation view is. Correct answer option B, 2 cm. Question 54. The usual method adopted for representing scale on map is. Correct answer option D, graphical scale. Question 55. The error is measured length due to bad ranging is. Correct answer option A, cumulative error. Question 56. At magnetic poles, dip of magnetic needle is. Correct answer option D, 90 degree. Question 57. When 1 cm on a map represents 20 meter on the ground, the representative fraction of the scale is. Correct answer option C, 1 by 2000. Question 58. The principle of working of optical square is based upon. Correct answer option C, double reflection. Question 59. In which system the bearing of a line is measured with magnetic north in clockwise direction? Correct answer option D, the all circle bearing system. Question 60. The top width of the embankment of road is called. Correct answer option A, roadway. Question 61. The difference in levels of the outer and inner edges of a road along the curves is called. Correct answer option A, cant. Question 62. The widening of road is not required when its radius will be. Correct answer option C, more than 300 meter. Question 63. The circular isolated depressions formed on a road surface. Correct answer option C, potholes. Question 64. When a rising grade meets with a horizontal road, the type of curve adopted to connect them is called. Correct answer option B, summit curve. Question 65. Width of ballast section for broad gauge is. Correct answer option C, 3.35 meter. Question 66. The thread of wheels is provided an outward slope of. Correct answer option B, 1 in 20. Question 67. The side slope of embankments for a railway track is generally taken as. Correct answer option B, 2:1. Question 68. The minimum size of rainwater pipe should be. Correct answer option B, 50 mm. Question 69. The effect produced by the elevation and general planning of a building is known as. Correct answer option A, elegance. Question 70. Site plan as per NBC 1970 should be drawn to a scale of not less than. Correct answer option B, 1:1000. Question 71. Usual minimum size of service pipe for domestic water supply is. Correct answer option D, 20 mm. Question 72. As per NBC, the minimum area of bath and water closet is dash. Correct answer option A, 2.8 meter square. Question 73. Shear reinforcement in RCC is provided to resist. Correct answer option D, diagonal tension. Question 74. A slab supported along two sides is called. Correct answer option C, one-way slab. Question 75. In two-way slab, each side of the square mesh in length should be. Correct answer option B, 1/5 of shorter span. Question 76. Adding a thin layer of cement mortar to the surface of concrete. Correct answer option D, rendering. Question 77. In two-way slab, the reinforcement in the shorter span are dash in the longer span. Correct answer option A, more than. Question 78. A channel aligned nearly parallel to the contours of the country is called. Correct answer option C, contour canal. Question 79. The ratio of the actually irrigated area during a year or during a crop to the culturable irrigable area. Correct answer option D, intensity of irrigation. Question 80. A closed conduit or pipe for supplying water under pressure to a turbine. Correct answer option B, penstock. Question 81. The multiplying factor for painting in flush door for both sides is. Correct answer option A, 2. Question 82. In calculating the quantity of brickwork, no deduction shall be for the opening up to. Correct answer option C, 0.1 meter square. Question 83. 10 degrees Celsius is equal to. Correct answer option A, 50 degree Fahrenheit. Question 84. The ratio of rod lifted to effort applied is known as. Correct answer option B, mechanical advantage. Question 85. A material which can be drawn into fine wires is known as. Correct answer option C, ductile material. Question 86. The ability of material to resist deformation is called. Correct answer option D, stiffness. Question 87. The minimum width of septic tank is taken as. Correct answer option B, 75 cm. Question 88. The minimum diameter of a sewer pipe should be. Correct answer option D, 10 cm. Question 89. As per IS 456-2000, the minimum diameter of main bars in RCC column should be. Correct answer option A, 12 mm. Question 90. The main function of the dryer in painting is to. Correct answer option D, absorb oxygen from the air. Question 91. Thinner in plastic emulsion paint is. Correct answer option B, water. Question 92. Oblique perspective is used to present. Correct answer option D, huge and tall building. Question 93. Springes are those vessels of an arch which are provided at. Correct answer option A, its extremes. Question 94. Which line type is available when you start a new drawing in AutoCAD? Correct answer option C, continuous. Question 95. To switch isoplanes, you press. Correct answer option B, F5. Question 96. Which command do you use to draw a circle in isometric drafting? Correct answer option D, ellipse. Question 97. A line with a tapering width can be easily created by using the dash tool. Correct answer option B, polyline. Question 98. The design center is. Correct answer option D, a palette. Question 99. Which is the short key of line? Correct answer option A, L. Question 100. The most accurate method of plane tabling is. Correct answer option C, radiation method.